So ain't no way in hell I'm not exposing this one. I have to. Okay, so my 4-year-old had like this tall red can that was given to him by his great-grandmother, and she filled it up with so many coins. Money, you know? I guess this is a part of it, right? No way that it's gone. Like, here's the lid for it. Looked like this, and it was, you know, great-grandmas, you know, they be having them cans for like, I don't know. But black people know what I'm talking about. This thing was filled with coins for my son to like grab and put in this money counter. Where's the freaking money counter? That was given to him as well by his great-grandmother. Like, where the heck is it though? So do not tell me this 43-year-old man stole this money from a 4-year-old, from my 4-year-old beautiful son. Stop. Nigga went to go take the can and like pour it in the coin counter thing so you can get a little bit of money. What would that be, what, like $50 or something? Full of coins? You needed to steal $50 from a 4-year-old? You know that wasn't yours. Like, that money is not yours. Why did you take it from a 4-year-old? Stop. Stop, y'all. Okay, y'all gotta know about this. The world has to see this shit, okay? The grimy things men will do. Now she's stealing from a 4-year-old though. Stop it. So I had to come back for more for this one. Realizing that my son's like breathing machine is gone. He doesn't have like inhaler or anything. It's not like super bad breathing issues, but he does sometimes get this cough where he needs the breathing machine to kind of help him clear his airways and stuff. And my ex, I guess his stepfather, he had the same type of issue when he was little and would often, even in current times, use the breathing machine that was here for my son. It's gone. Breathing machine is nowhere to be found. So this one is actually angering me. Like, you took a child's like health necessity from them, their health equipment from them. Like, when you steal from children, there's a special place in hell for you. Just know that, okay? Karma with the big K, okay? Yeah, that's disgusting. Stealing from a child, stealing their health equipment, that's disgusting, okay? Like, ugh, disgusting people. Ugh. Ladies, you have to get out. Talking about my ladies who are in bondage, you know, living under a man, you're miserable, okay? He doesn't even love you like that. Like, you know you deserve to be loved deeply. He doesn't help you with the kids. You have the load of everything while he just sits on his butt. And adding abuse on top of that, getting out is the only option. Like, you can't even think in there, girl. Even if you are smart and vibrant and beautiful, which you are, you can't even think your way out. You can't even think of what you can add, how you can help the world and make money from doing. You can't even think about that if you are trapped under a man who basically has you in prison, mental prison. Getting out is the only option, ladies. Please, 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 please think about getting out.